Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create meme videos or graphics for your social media. If you're interested in making memes for your page, your audience, your viewers, or any other social platform, but you don't know how to start, you should use Canva. Canva is a fantastic site and very beginner-friendly. Even if you have no experience with creativity, graphic design, or video editing, this platform is perfect for you. It allows you to easily customize pre-made templates. In Canva, you can simply tweak and adjust whatever you need for your brand or any other preferences. So without further delay, let's get started. Make sure you've created your Canva account, and you'll see this interface. Need to go to the search bar and type memes. You'll find lots of meme templates. Explore them and customize whichever one you like. Some are paid, but don't worry, because there are plenty of free versions available. Maybe this one, yeah. Maybe I'll go with this one. Now I'm ready and free to customize anything I want. If I want to add my logo, just go to the Upload section. Go to Uploads and upload your logo. For example, this is the logo. I'll just make it transparent, like this. For example, this is my logo, and I want to make it transparent like this here. You can add your logo here and change whatever you like. If you want to add your own image, just go to Uploads, upload your file from your computer, and just drag it here. Drag the image like this, and you can add your own image. If you want to change the color or background, you can do it using colors. And if you want to change the background, just remove it and go to the Background section. You can change the background color by going to the background and clicking on it. Just like this. If you want to change the color of the text, just go to the Text section. And like this, you can write whatever you like. So yeah, it's really simple. You can modify whatever you want, add any images or your logos. And once you're done with your meme, to download it, go to the Share option. Then go to the Download menu. If you want, there are many types of export files. You can choose whatever format you want, but basically, for sharing on social media, PNG is the best. Just download it, and now you're ready to post your memes on social media. So, you saw how easy and simple it is to make memes with Canva. That's the process, a straightforward tutorial. If you have any confusion or questions about this video or Canva, please comment below. I will answer all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.